Today was great to visit the Vimac factory. I was impressed from the factory for the cleaning, for the very modern factory, the machinery, how can is very well organized. Regarding the opportunities between Vietnam and Italy, and in a specific case between Vimac and Italian companies, I saw very good opportunities because these companies are ready to produce high quality and standard product. I saw they follow very high quality standard procedures to facing and matching the needs of American market and also the European market. So about opportunities, they have a good team that can carry out these kind of opportunities. We will see to find partner in Italy, of course, that will be happy to start a relationship with Vimac here in Vietnam. Very close relationship in the near future. Hopefully in this year we will see, we were working on that. We will see if we get with the great opportunity for both countries, Italy, Vietnam, and mainly from Vimac factory. And we are very close to Tet, so I want to say Chúc, cùng, and I'm wishing you all the best, good health, prosperity, and very good luck for this coming year, for you and for the company. Thanks a lot for having me here today.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Thank you.